Yeah, so we need to switch the switches on, but how do we do that? Lovely. If there's a gap in the circuit, the electricity can't flow all the way around and the circuit won't be on. But if we close that gap, then we can switch the circuit on. So could you guys close the gap for me? Hold hands.
Wow.
You have a little dance with your team. So we have some music. Could you guys switch off? Switch off. Okay, so who believes me that this is a real human circuit and that music was really coming out of this speaker and that I wasn't just controlling it with my little remote here? Oh, okay, so you got me. I was controlling that just then, but that is how a circuit works. And we can actually turn you guys into a real human circuit with electricity actually flowing through you. Do you want to try that?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'm going to take off the battery costume. We don't need you to be a battery anymore. And we're going to replace it with a real battery. Hold hands. Would you hold this up for everyone?
Oh, I can hear
So
it.
this is a buzzer inside here, a battery, some wires, and some lights as well. When you guys are holding hands, the electricity flows through all of you and switches it on. Switches, could you switch it off? Switch it
Wow.
off. Perfect. Could you two switch it off this time? Oh, you two, yeah, lovely. And could you hold hands again? Oh, everyone make sure they're holding hands properly. Oh yeah, so just hold hands. Everyone has to hold hands. Nice.
Make a complete
Could
circuit.
you two stop holding hands? And hold hands again. Everyone hold hands. Nice. Everyone has to be holding hands and touching their skin for this to work. Could you two stop holding hands? And could you touch the nose of the person standing next to you and see if that can work?
Ramaya, hold hands with Maheen.
We have this light tube.
We'll turn off.
What do you think over there?
So what would happen is, basically, half of it would stay off and half of it would go off and half of it will stay on because here's what happens. Normally, if you put it in the middle, then it'll go on that side, but then once it cuts off, it'll go through your body down onto the ground.
Interesting theory. Actually, Emma, could you show us that? Could you put your hand just in the middle of the tube when it's lit up? Perfect.
Wow.
So the light gets stopped. The electricity stops flowing all the way through the tube because it flows through Emma instead. Could you let go? And then it goes straight through me again to the ground.